Hey guys, welcome to the 18th C programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use character arrays. Now the thing about character arrays is you can obviously store multiple characters in them, but since you can store multiple characters in them, you can actually store whole words or even sentences. So let's just say that we wanted to create a character array to store my name. So the first thing that we're going to do right here is just type out car, and then I'm just going to call it name, and remember we need to have those two square brackets after it to signify that it is in fact going to be an array. And then I can just go ahead right here and set it equal to text, and to represent text in C you just need to do two quotes. So then inside of these quotes right here I can just type any text that I want to be stored inside of my character array right here called name. I'm just going to go ahead and store my name, so I'm just going to type out Adam, and then of course end the line. And this right here is a character array. So at the 0 index of my character array is the capital letter A, at the 1 index is the capital letter D, or the lowercase letter d, and at the 2 index is lowercase a, and at the 3 index is lowercase m. Alright, now let's just say that we wanted to print out the character at the 0 index, which is just this a right here. So what I can do is just say printf %c, since we're going to be printing out a character, and then I'm just going to go ahead and end that line using /n, and then I'm just going to go ahead and print out the character at the 0 index. So I just need to say the name of my character array, which is name, and then use the square brackets, and inside of these square brackets put the index of the character that I'm trying to access, and I'm trying to access the character at the 0 index, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the 0 right there and end the line. So now when I run this program I should just get capital A out onto the screen. Yep, and if I were to change this to 1, I should just get lowercase d. Yep, perfect. Now let's say that I wanted to print out this entire word right here, the entire character array. Now I don't actually have to write a loop to go through each character. What I can do is just get rid of these brackets right here and change this to an S. And this S right here stands for string. And string basically just means text or multiple characters. So this right here is a string. So we just want to print out a string or a character array. They're one and the same in C. So now let's just go ahead and run this and make sure that it works. Yep, we see we get Adam right out onto the screen. And I can make this anything I wanted to. I can make this a whole sentence. So I could say, hello, my name is Adam, and it would work fine. Yep, there we go, works fine. Alright, now let's just say that I wanted to get user input. I wanted the user to enter their name. Now what I'm going to have to do right here is I'm just going to go ahead and create another character array. I'm going to say car name, and then I just need to put the two square brackets. And then what I'm actually going to have to do is inside of these square brackets just put the number of characters that I'm anticipating, and you're probably going to want to put a little bit more. So since we're getting someone's first name, 20 characters should probably be plenty. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to say printf please enter your name, and then we're just going to go ahead and read the name that the user enters into this character array right here. So we're going to say scanf %s again, since we're reading a whole bunch of characters together, or a string, and then we're just going to go ahead and read it into this name character array right here. So I'm just going to do ampersand name, and then go ahead and end that line. And then after it reads that name that the user enters into this character array, we're just going to go ahead and print the user's name back out to them. So we're going to say your name is, and then %s, end that line. And then we just want to replace this %s or modulus s with the user's name. So we're just going to say name right there. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and run this and make sure that it works. Please enter your name, Adam. Your name is Adam. Perfect. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, so see you guys.